string and comes down this hallway 40 feet from yesterday. Comes down through here, jumps on this new cable tray, boom, 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 and then stops in the middle of the hallway. Pretty much, I just left it in the ceiling tile right there. But you'll see the string right here. Okay guys, welcome back. Went ahead and finished up this pipe run right here, just this little jumper between these boxes, because the LL came in, and I did label this box afterwards, but went ahead and pulled the wire in with Brian, and he made up the receptacle inside. And then from there we kind of got on a new task, which actually we finished up the huge string run, which I didn't get any footage of, which I said I was going to yesterday. That was 460 feet, went down 3 stories. I'll try to get something, but maybe that will never come. But from there, we went ahead and jumped on turning on the lights and going through and checking the ceiling and fixing problems because they're going to, or fixing things that are unfinished because they're going to be doing like a ceiling inspection. So still have to do the room on the left and this room on the right, which is these 2 rooms right here. Brian's going to be gone tomorrow, so I'll probably solo finish this. So hopefully that won't take more than half a day because it's kind of overwhelming. But other than that, things are going good. Thought I'd update you guys. And that's what we're doing. So just getting the strings out of the ceiling. Getting anything tied off that needs to be tied off. Strapping anything down that needs to be strapped down. Putting covers on that needs to be covers put on. So that's pretty much it. I did forget to mention one thing. The string run that we did through the 3 stories has 7 lbs in it, which means that there's 3 full runs of 360 degrees plus another 180. So that's 2,340 degrees of a pipe run, give or take another 90. So it could be like 2,300, what is that? Or 45, sorry. It's between 2,340 or 2,385. So it's the craziest pipe run I've ever seen in my entire life. 7 lbs is 7 condylettes, sorry, is insane. So I hope I don't have to pull that, but I'm assuming I'm going to be having to help do that pipe run. So if they have some lube, I'm probably going to use a whole bottle to get that baby slippery. So anyways, craziest run I've ever seen. So anyways, can't wait to do that one. So anyways, thought I'd give you guys that little laughter right there. But anyways, I'm crying on the inside.